Exercise number 10. Start. Because the basis of the Congress ethos and its economic and social policy has been independent national economy. Full stop. A country like India, if it has to follow an independent policy of non alignment, it cannot follow that policy unless it builds up a national economy. Full stop. It should be an independent national economy based on social justice, commitment to socialism, democracy, and secularism, which Jawaharlal Nehru put forward and behind which in Parliament and in the country there was a national consensus. Full stop. Our consensus Prime Minister, when he talks of the unity and independence of the country, threats from outside and the economic imperialism that is threatening the development of independent economy. The emphasis you will find is on public sector building up, the rural sector growth and social distribution, and on that basis building an economy based on self-reliance and not dependent on foreign capital assistance. Full stop. The fact is that India is a shining example in the present day world when you have an adverse international economic environment, when economic assistance is going down, the multilateral assistance is cut down, the IDA aid is cut down, and policies are framed all round so that our export trade development and our export promotion is faced with greater difficulty. Full stop. Next paragraph. Even then, because of the economic policies laid down by Jawaharlal Nehru and successively followed by Indira Ji and reinforced through this budget by the present Prime Minister, it shows that this is the only way and this is the only model in which India should develop if it wants to maintain its dignity and emerge as a prosperous and strong country. Full stop. So this myth is demolished that this budget is anti-poor or anti-growth or this budget is anti-social justice. Full stop. Actually, it is growth on this budget aims to achieve all these objectives. Full stop. He has also demolished the myth that this government or the government's economic policy is not the poor but is more concerned about the upper middle class. Full stop. This is all demolished, and I think it is necessary that in this house there is consensus behind the new path, or rather, the new enforced path that is sought to be made out by this budget. Full stop. Similarly, the budget aims at promising growth, and if you see, you will find that a number of concessions have been given to industries engaged. It was consumption goods, not caring to the needs of the affluent. Full stop. A number of measures have been suggested. Full stop. I need not go into that. Full stop. It particularly tries to promote indigenous capital goods industry, which is the basis of self-reliance, and which is the basis of promoting growth in the future development of our country. Full stop and over.